Today I'm going to do a demonstration on how to use chisels safely in the workshop. A chisel consists of a metal blade with a beveled edge and a handle. The handle is usually made out of plastic, like this one, or timber. Chisels are usually used with a hammer or a mallet, but it is recommended to use a mallet over a hammer as a hammer may damage the handle of the chisel. But with plastic handled chisels, it is alright to use a hammer as the handle can withstand a hammer blow. I am going to demonstrate how to use a chisel by making a housing joint. I have already cut out the sides of the housing joint. When using a chisel, make sure the piece of timber is clamped in a vise, or using G clamps or F clamps, clamp it to a bench. The correct PPE for using a chisel are safety glasses and fully enclosed leather shoes. When using a chisel, never chisel into the body, always chisel away from the body. Because if the chisel slips and you're chiseling into the body, it may fly into you and cause an injury. To hold a chisel, have your fingers over the handle and your thumb underneath and wrap your fingers around. When chiseling, stand side on to the piece of timber so that you can get a bigger swing with the hammer, and to avoid hitting yourself with the backswing of the hammer. When chiseling, have the beveled edge facing up, as the edge will push the timber flakes up and out of the piece of timber. Only use small swings of the hammer. Never use your hands to clear the off-cut pieces of timber because there is a chance of getting splinters. When you get to halfway, come in from the other side to avoid chipping the edge. Another way of using a chisel is paring. For this you want to scrape the chisel across the timber. When paring, you always want to have two hands on the chisel, and like when using a hammer, never have the chisel facing towards your body. When you get to halfway, like when using a hammer, come in from the other side to avoid chipping the edge. There you have it. That's how you use a chisel safely in the workshop. If you have any other questions, ask your teacher or instructor.